Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, let's see what's new on the sales module of Odoo 19.4. So for that, I'm moving on to the sales module. So basically, it brings several practical improvements that makes the entire sales process more even flexible and efficient. So let's start from the pricing itself. Further, I'm moving on to a basic quotation. So there you can see here I just created now one. So what you can find is actually the margin. So basically in 19.4 onwards, you can now edit the margins by simply clicking on each individual sales order line. Okay, so it's basically giving the sales team greater control. If I want to change this margin into any other, like if I want to provide this is 35 or something, I can edit them. Okay, so your sales team can simply get a control over the profitability without having to adjust the product pricing, because in the previous version we need to adjust the product pricing and it will definitely automatically provide the margins as per there, but we don't have any kind of option to adjust the margin, but in now you can simply find them, and this is a most important improvement that happens inside the sales module. So once you guys are edit any each and everything from this particular sales order, you can now hit the save button. Okay, so that's the first thing that happens. Now let's talk about the another thing, which means there we have an exciting updates that happens inside the commission. It is actually to support for the complex completion plans. So inside each and every company, if they're just supporting or providing any kind of commissions, they we have a lot of commissions based on an individual or a team based. So what does actually happen? Like whether your business use tiered commission or different rate for the product or custom incentive structure, Odoo actually makes it much easier to configure. Like this is the commission plans for a manager achievement. So from here itself, I can do what if I'm just moving on to the target type, I can directly choose one of the target, which means they we have the statistics and dynamic. And if I'm moving on to there, they we have to set a target for given period, but also they we have another commission plan achievement, which means the target of the salesperson is the sum of the target of their subordinate on the following plans. If I'm clicking on dynamic and moving on to the salespeople on the basis of the Michelle admin, I'll get, or the team manager will get what the achievement, or they will get the commission achievement. Okay, on the basis of that. Once you guys are done with that, you can hit the save button and move on with that. Now let's talk about this third thing, which means the sales order templates. Okay, so for that, here I'm moving on to the order session. Under the quotation itself, you can see if I'm simply clicking on the option, there we have the quotation, and there you can see a lot of template like office furniture, couples room plus spa package, monthly cleaning, yearly cleaning. So if I want to get one of them, not creating or moving on to the quotation template and taking them as a new quotation, providing them, no, I don't want to do that. Simply click on the option that if I want to get an office furniture, and I can provide the required fields and everything. Once I'm done with that, if I want to add any line or edit this option, also I can provide them. So let me provide one of the product like chair flow protection. And if I want to save this template once more time, what I can do is save this manually, and let me move on to this action, and I can also save this a new template. Okay, so it will be saving as a new template. If I want to provide this as new, I can see them. Okay, so once I've done with that, and if I'm moving on to the quotation itself and simply clicking on this option, there we have the new template. So from the sales quotation itself, you can create a new template, and also by moving on to this particular option, you will get the drop down menu of the quotation or the sales template as well. Okay, now let's talk about the final improvement that happens inside Odoo 19.4. It's basically like it's an improvement for the prepaid billings. Okay, so it basically allowing you to invoice overages automatically. So let me give you a simple example. If I'm moving on to this particular quotation from here itself, you can see that there for the Acme Corporation, they we have a prepaid bill. They we have already created an invoice on the basis of that the customer care, and the quantity is planned is actually one, and they we have done with the 1 hour plan. But again, this after onwards, our particular assignee or the scheduled consultants gives 3 more hours, and there you can see that we have four delivery, I mean 4 hours of delivery. And if I'm moving on to create an invoice, now you can see here we have an option to invoice overages. So if a customer use more than their prepaid amount, the extra usage can be billed seamlessly without additional manual work. So now itself Odoo will calculate them and creates that in a draft way. So if I'm moving on to that, you can see addition for the additional 3 hours, Odoo is already created and calculated the invoices. So overall, these updates give the sales team more flexibility, reduce repetitive tasks, and help business manage pricing, commission, customer billing more efficiently. So that's what we can do from here itself. And one more thing that I want to add is actually, if you are an Odoo user and if you want to get all of these things, not the new updates, we can say that if you want to create a sale order, or if you want to get any kind of updates inside your company without moving to there, okay, you will definitely get this particular thing using by a mobile phone. So if you're just carrying your mobile phone in everyday basis, go and take your mobile phone. If you have a Play Store and App Store, move on to there, download the mobile suite for Odoo, which is mobile. We Cybrosys introduced that, so you don't want to carry your system everywhere that you guys are going. Like phone is an inevitable part in our daily life, so you just want to carry them in every time and everywhere. So, but sometimes you can't even carry your system or your laptop, something like that. Okay, so in that cases you can directly move on to the phone and you can simply click on what kind of module that you need and do the process what you guys are doing inside Odoo 19. So that's all about this video. So I just put the link on the description box, so please go and check it out and let me get your review, let me know your reviews about the mobile, which is the mobile suite. And yeah, that's all about this improvement inside the sales module of Odoo 19.4. I hope you all understood. If you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another video. Till that, bye bye.